wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay!
We're doing a cheerleading episode.
Yeah. Do you guys like my cheerleading dress?
Yeah, that looks amazing.
Thank you. I really, really like it.
And we're going to do some sporting and some gymnastics because that's why we invited Gabby Douglas.
Because look. I'm Team America because I'm wearing red, white, and blue. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, me too.
Oh, yeah. You're also Team America. Wow,
red,
go Team America.
White and blue.
Yeah, woo! Good job.
Yep.
Okay,
so first cheer, right?
Okay, yeah.
1, 2, 3. Dream again. Dream again. Do you like that one?
Yeah, I like that one a lot.
Okay, with the kids. Kids.
Hey, kids.
1, 2, 3. Dream again. Dream again. Okay, now I think we can go a little bit sophisticated.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I forgot.
What'd you forgot?
Oh, no.
Oh, no, what?
Wait, can you just entertain the kids for a second? I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
So stay right there and just entertain the kids and do some cheers. Practice some cheers with them.
Okay. So now I want to do the Olivia cheer. I spell my name and then we shout it out. Okay? So it goes O L I V A. Olivia! Yay, Olivia! Woo! Wow. So, did you guys like that cheer? Yeah? Did you guys know that you guys can do a cheer with your names too? Yeah, that was a really, really easy cheer, right? Do you guys know when we do cheers? Look, we do cheers at things like basketball games. This is Basketball Barbie. Yeah. Her name is Kelsey. Yeah, and she's wearing a really nice jersey and basketball shorts because she is going to play basketball. She's really good. She dribbles really, really fast, and then she does like switch changes, and she can shoot a really good free throw and three-pointer. She is very good at basketball, which also means, look, she is very, very tall. Yeah. Not all basketball players.
Dream again. Dream again. Dream again.
Yay! Oh!
Look what I brought. I forgot we had the pom-poms.
Oh, wow, that's really, really, really neat.
Here's one for you.
Oh, thank you, Noah.
So now we can be dream again. Dream again.
Woo!
Cool, huh?
Yeah,
we have another cheer.
Yeah, we do.
Okay. So, kids, listen. 1, 2, 3. Wake up. Dream again. Wake up. Dream again. Wake up. Dream again.
Woo! Oh, I have an idea.
Oh, what?
Do you think we could do the first one time through and then the second one immediately after one time through too?
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, let's try that. Okay.
Kids, are you ready?
Yeah, you ready?
1, 2, 3. Wake up.
Oh, wait. No, let's start with dream.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Oh,
No.
My mistake.
No, I wasn't clear. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Dream again.
Wake up.
Oh, sorry. I messed up again.
Oops. No. Okay, no, I said it wrong. Okay, so we'll do the dream again one time only.
Okay.
And then wake up one time only.
Kids, you knew that.
Yeah? Does that sound good?
That was my mistake. I'm sorry. Okay, let's do that again.
Okay, let's do it again. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Dream again. Wake up. Dream again. Yay!
Woo! Go us!
Did I do it right now?
Yeah, you got it totally right.
Oh, good.
You would make a great cheerleader.
Well, I don't know. I'm still learning, I guess.
Well, me too. That's why I'm wearing my cheerleading outfit so I can learn. I'm going to learn how to do things like the splits and like a somersault. Yeah. We could see see someone up there. See?
I saw that you had your
Oh, my basketball Barbie. Hold on.
Here's Ken Barbie.
And here's basketball Barbie.
Wow. Maybe Ken will play basketball with your Barbie.
Oh, yeah. They could play basketball together. Like this. Shoot.
And she scores.
Yeah, 3 points. Woo! Oh. And then the cheerleaders cheer. Dream again. Dream again. Woo!
Okay, and then Ken dribbles the ball. And he shoots. And he scores. Also a 3-pointer. Woo!
And now we do the wake up one, right?
Okay. Wait, hold on. I need to get my pom-pom.
My pom-pom too.
Okay. Ready? Okay, ready? Wake up!
Dream again! Wake up! Dream again! Woo! Yeah. Wow.
That's pretty fun.
Yeah, this is a very exciting game.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Did you guys know that there's professional female basketball?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I did not know that. I thought it was just a men's sport.
Nope, there's professional female basketball and there's professional female soccer and also up there, do you guys see her?
That's Gabby Douglas.
Yeah. What do you think she does?
Well, she's wearing a nice Nike sports outfit and the USA shirt on. Is she a jogger?
No.
A sprinter.
No.
Oh, a marathon sprinter.
Nope.
I don't know.
Maybe she could have been a cheerleader sometime because maybe she does the splits and she can do flips and she can.
Oh, is she a cheerleader?
Nope.
No.
She can walk on a balance beam.
Oh, a gymnast.
A gymnast. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's do a USA cheer.
Okay, hold on.
Ready?
All right. Mm-hmm.
Okay. USA. Woo! Oh,
Wow.
that's so much fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Kids, what type of cheerleading song should we play for you?
Ooh, yeah.
You should let us know.
Yeah, if you have any good ones or ones that you and your family like to do when you watch basketball games or hockey games or
if I'm Olivia's cheerleader, I would be like, "Go, Olivia! Go, Olivia! Go, Olivia! Score!
Woo! And I would be like, Noah, give me an N. Give me an O. Give me an A. Give me an H. What's that spell?
Noah! Woo! Yay!
Yeah! Woo! Wow, that'd be really, really great. I wonder if at the Olympics, if people do cheers in the crowd all the time.
Oh, I wonder too. I know that at soccer games, they do the wave.
Ooh.
Do you know how they do the wave?
Yeah. Should we try the wave?
Okay, let's try the wave.
Okay.
So it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! And it comes around again. Woo! And again. Woo! Nice. I love that.
And then my way.
Okay.
Woo! And then your way. Woo!
That's
Wow,
fun.
that's really, really fun. It's like being on a boat but in a crowd.
I don't understand that.
I don't know, like the waves in the ocean.
Oh.
Woo!
Okay. I didn't understand it, but now I do.
Yeah, on a boat, I bet they don't do cheers.
I don't think they do cheers on the
I
boat.
don't think so either.
No.
Nope. Too bad. They're really fun though.
Yeah.
What is your favorite cheer of the day?
From the ones we did, all of them?
Yeah. From all the ones we practiced today.
Well, certainly my fan favorite is my own cheer.
Oh, the Noah one?
Yeah.
That's a really good one.
For the kids, I would say, wake up! Dream again! Wake up! Dream again! You know why?
Why?
Because today we can be like, wake up, and dream. And not just dream, but dream again, dream always, dream every time, dream all the time. Maybe that should be our dream always, dream everywhere.
Everywhere.
And dream all the time.
And forever.
And dream again.
Forever. And dream again.
It's all of that, you know? And it's like, wake up, dream again, wake up, dream forever, wake up, dream always, wake up, dream.
And wake up, dream big, wake up, dream big, wake up, dream big.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's a really, really, really nice cheer.
So that's why I love that one, because kids, you should always allow yourself to dream and dream big and dream again and dream forever, because all your dreams will come true. I know it.
If you work hard and you try really, really hard and you keep going for it, 100%.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep.
So with that being said, it was really fun having you here, and please send us your cheers, because we would love to hear them. So just send them in, and we'll see you next time, right?
We'll see you next time.
Okay, bye!
Dream, dream, dream again. Dream, dream, dream again.
Wake up, wake up! Dream again! Wake up, wake up! Dream again! Woo!
Oh, yeah, I like it. Oh. Woo!
Good job.
Thanks. Good job.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!